How to install Applinked on Firestick. Now in this quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can install Applinked on your Firestick TV. Now Firestick TV has actually a built-in app store or where you can download applications that is of course available on their built-in app store. However, if you do not find Applinked in there, then you're gonna have to download it separately. So first is pull up your app store from Firestick TV and then download the downloader application so that you can download third-party app. Use the URL box to type in AppLink's official site so that you can download and install them. And that's basically it. Installation is just enabling a known file resources so that you can use them on your Firestick TV. And that is how you install AppLink on Firestick.